Okay, I'm getting ready to leave the coffee shop. Got a cigarette in my mouth. Clothes are almost on. Yeah. And there's the city plow. Doing an awesome job cleaning, keeping the streets clean. Doing the best they can. God bless them, man. Now go a little closer to... I'm joking. Now we're making the trip all the way home. I gotta pull my pants up before I moon the snow. Pretty cool, eh? Snowflake sitting on land, pissing on the road. Very cool. There he is. The city plow.